Here's how to send high quality photos on Messenger. So in this video, I'm going to exactly show you how you can send high quality photos. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. First of all, as you can see that I have Messenger right over here, and just basic sending and the pictures, just press on this image icon right over here and you can send any images. But it's not the way on how you can send the high quality pictures. What you have to do is first of all go to files. Once you go to files, as you can see, I've uploaded the picture that I desired and which I want to send. So as you can see, this is the picture right now that I want to send. So how do we send it? Just we're going to hold it, and here it will bring up a lot of options, but we just have to press on share. Once you press on share, as you can see that there are like many options that just swipe right and you'll see the option of more. Press on it and go down a bit until you see messenger right over here. As you can see, this is the messenger. Press on it, and here you can send it to anyone right over here, and the picture will be very high quality. Just select the account that you want to send. Let's say I want to send it to this one, and then just press send, and you'll be able to send the picture, and it will be no pixels cut out or anything. So yeah, that's basically it on how you can send high quality photos on Messenger. So make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down there. So yeah, peace out until then, and goodbye.